Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo opens a small wooden box. Suddenly, a bright butterfly flies out of the box and flutters into the air. It flutters around the room, floating through the air as it moves. A new word becomes important: astonished. Astonished means feeling very surprised. Timo did not expect anything inside the box. He watches the butterfly closely with wide eyes as it floats gently through the air. The butterfly lands softly on a nearby flower. Timo smiles quietly, enjoying the surprising moment. Timo remembers that feeling astonished means being surprised by something wonderful, and that unexpected moments can bring great delight.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.